Spot quiz, which is the fastest growing jeweler in the world? I don't have a definitive answer to that question, but a strong contender must surely be Titan Company, India's largest jewelry conglomerate. Titan has delivered consistent double-digit growth over the past 5 years, and this isn't off a small base either. In the fiscal year ending March 31st, it reported consolidated revenue of about $7 billion, or at least the rupee equivalent. For context, in the global jewelry market, I can think of maybe 4 companies that operate on that scale: Richemont's jewelry division, LVMH's, Chow, Fook, and Signet jewelers. But what makes Titan stand out is the pace of its growth. Sales at its jewelry division rose 22% last year, with same-store sales up 14%. And the momentum continued in the June quarter. Jewelry sales jumped 24% year on year, and the division's operating profit rose 28%. Titan Company is part of the Tata Group, one of India's big business conglomerates, and it has a few things going for it. It has a very strong brand presence, and it's rooted in India, a country with a rich gold jewelry culture, and which is now the second largest diamond jewelry market after the United States. And Titan claims about 8% of India's jewelry market through its 4 brands: ZOYA in the high-end luxury segment, Tanishq as its flagship premium brand, and Mia by Tanishq and CaratLane are positioned in the mid-market. Now, as I said, India is a very gold-centric jewelry market, and Titan's sales mix would likely reflect that. But the company is also strong in studded diamond jewelry. Management recently noted that non-solitaire studded pieces are driving growth more so than solitaires, and that this studded diamond jewelry category attracts more new customers for the company than even gold. Management also quite emphatically stressed that Titan is a natural diamond jewelry company, downplaying the impact that lab-grown has had on India's studded market with a market share of less than 2%, which I thought was an interesting little tidbit and good messaging to the rest of the market, if only other majors would do the same. One final point about Titan and its growth path. In July, Titan agreed to acquire 67% of Dubai-based Damas Jewellery for around $283 million, with an option to buy the remaining 33% from 2030 onward. Damas has 146 stores across the Middle East, which positions Titan in another growth market. It feels like a good fit, and I think long-term that acquisition may prove to be a bit of a strategic masterstroke by Titan. So Titan is a company that's making waves, even if it tends to maybe fall under the radar in our global industry conversations. Its growth, its market share, and strategy make it a company to watch. So what do you think? Is such growth sustainable? Let me know in the comments. As always, thank you for watching. That's your Diamond Minute. I'm Avi Kravitz. I'll see you next time.